Hi, I'm Pop Seagon, and welcome to my channel of my personal martial arts system, Bagua Kuntao Silat. Today, I'm going to respond to a viewer who requested I show a defense for a double wrist grab from behind. And this one's pretty common, especially when somebody else is trying to maintain control over you while another person is going to strike you or do whatever they think they're going to do to you. And it's something that's done quickly on the fly. It's not an especially complicated one, but if you have a strong guy holding you and your wrist from behind, it could put you in a bad position, at least slow you down so another person could do whatever they desire. You see, he's pulling me just like this and securing me, and I'm completely exposed and I'm unable to respond in any meaningful manner. So in Bagua Kuntao Silat, we always want to go with the force if we can, and we use our entire body when we do go with that force. So if I see somebody do this, immediately I'm just going to go with it. You want to go with it just like I usually do, just relax. And then go with the force. And I stepped on his foot initially, but then I let go so I wouldn't break his ankle. But also sink, hit with my shoulder, and normally I had him put this on just in case. You would also shoulder strike to the breastplate over the heart and headbutt top of my head into his face at the same time. Didn't do it here because I didn't want to do it to him, because no matter how slowly you do it, if you put any kind of force behind it, headbutt to the face with the top of my head always hurts, even with the cage on, because my entire body weight's behind it. But
yeah, I can't hold on to this other hand because you're closing the distance.
Right. Yeah, I'm just going with it. There's really no way to fight it. That's just something new. And you can see here, as you saw towards the end, I stepped on his foot. That way it's secure and he couldn't get away while I was applying.
This is miserable, by the way.
Shoulder strike and headbutt into the face. If somebody's going to double wrist grab you from behind, that's just the surest, quickest, most complete way to bring absolute destruction to the guy doing it. Now you could also, if you just do it, just runs back and hit him, and that'll get him off of you and allow you to escape, to run away. But in Bagua Kuntao Silat, you want to be sure that they can't counterattack you, and you want to make sure you hit them as hard as you possibly can so they can't follow up or counter you or do anything. And this, when you're doing that, if you stand it like that, you sink, relax, and just see, now he's getting ready. Now he's getting ready. I can feel his weight bear down on me even more. He's getting ready. You just sink, relax, but I'm going to do it in slow motion. You can see, and turn with it. Now he still has me, and I'm not struggling against him. They expect you to struggle a little bit, so he's going to hold me more securely.
I'm not pulling anything. It doesn't matter.
Right. You just sink, relax, and step towards him. Shoulder stroke and headbutt. And even in slow motion, you're free. And it's going to be a very hard, heavy blow. Now for the second one, I'm going to hold him, and he's going to escape with the second escape from Bagua Kuntao Silat, which involves a silo. And also another one, it's just going to wreck the other guy's leg. You use the silo, you pop up, and then you're gone. He can't counter that in any meaningful way. So from here, double wrist grab, I keep him taut, and I'm sunk just in case he tries to do something funny. And you can see he's trying to do it in slow motion so he doesn't hurt my knee, but go ahead and do it. Yeah. He just silos, cross-legged squat behind him, especially...
Yeah, if I sit hard, I can feel his knee. I can feel the weakness at the knee instead of where it's strong at the thigh and the shin.
Right. And
it's real easy to just sit down and...
He can feel it with his glute. It's a very simple thing. And again, you just go with the force that's being brought to you by the person who's offending you by grabbing you and pulling on you and trying to keep you still for somebody else. I'll show you once again. You can go a little bit faster. You don't have to worry about my knee as much, but I appreciate it. But you can see even in slow motion it works. Even when I know it's there and I'm resisting, he just eases it, and there's nothing I can do to stop it if I want to try to maintain that wrist grab. There you go. 2 defenses to the double wrist grab from the rear. Please like and subscribe, and I can bring more of these videos to you. and check out my other videos. Take care.